in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Yas Grl. Now, I don't really know the name of this unit. Honestly, they don't really have names for their units, but I will let you guys know that it's described as a chocolate brown unit with bangs. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. The lace on this unit comes as a small rectangle piece at the crown of the unit. Now, I didn't go in and bleach the knots on that small rectangular piece because honestly, I think it'd be silly unless I was bleaching the knots on some other units and I still had a little bit of bleach left over and I didn't want to throw it away. Then I would bleach the knots, but I'm just gonna throw some foundation on it and call it a day. As the description said, this unit does come with a bang, so if you've noticed, I don't have any foundation or anything on my forehead because why waste product? I'm pretty sure that this bang is going to cover my entire forehead. This unit does come in 12 inches and 14 inches. I received the 12 inch. The feel of this unit is very soft, and so far I'm not receiving any tangles, but I will let you guys know I am receiving a little bit of shedding here and there. The texture of this unit is Yaki straight, and here's the video of how the unit looked as soon as I pulled it out of the box. Now, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. When I first pulled it out of the box, I was just like, what is this? I was loving the color immediately, but I was just kind of like, it just doesn't look like your standard Yaki straight. To me, low-key, it kind of gave off the braiding hair. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. That's the type of vibe that it gave off, and I was just like, is this a synthetic unit? Even though I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a human hair unit. So I did go in and shampoo, condition, and then I let the unit air dry. Then I also had my husband like touch it before I even washed it or anything, and he was just like, it feels like real hair, but at the same time it does look like synthetic hair. I mean, he don't really know what synthetic versus human hair looks like. He's just going off of like the wigs that I've had in the past and whatnot, but I don't know, it was just like, and he didn't use the word synthetic and human, he was like fake and real. But anyways, it just kind of threw me off. But after I washed it and conditioned it and let it air dry and whatnot, and then I straightened it, this is what I got, and this is what I was expecting. But enough of me chitter chattering and whatnot. Let's go ahead and throw this unit on, which I'm pretty sure is going to be very quick, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit. So I'm gonna be completely honest, I like the unit, but I hate the way that the bang is cut. I feel like the bang has been cut too far out and it's too thick. I feel like if this portion and this portion of the bang were like still longer pieces of the unit, then it would be working for me. Right now, it's just kind of giving kind of Velma from Scooby-Doo, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix it if I can, but like, it's just, yeah, that's really bothering me how thick and chunky and wide that bang is. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna get my shears or what, and try to fix this really quick. You know what, I don't feel like that did anything for me or to the unit, so for my own sanity, I think I'm going to just take this much of the unit, or the bang rather, and tuck it up underneath it inside. Because it's like I don't want to cut it all off and then there be an obvious gap right there. But yeah, I just, something's got to give. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Yas Grl. Go ahead and talk about my cons first, if you will. I don't have a whole lot of them, but I do have a few. To start off, this unit does shed. Now, I said that earlier that this unit was shedding a little bit, but it has started to shed just a little bit more. Here and there, I am getting like 1 to 2 strands at a time, but I want to say about 2 or 3 times so far, I have gotten like these little clusters, and I don't really know if you can see it, but in those little clusters, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 pieces of hair at one time. So that's something to be mindful about. My second con and my only other con is, of course, the way that the bang was cut. Now, granted, not every bang is going to be cut the same, but whoever cut this bang did not do the best of the best jobs. Like I was saying earlier, the bang is just cut way too wide, and it's a little bit on the thicker side in my opinion. If I had shears that were like thinning shears, I would have been able to like thin the bang out a little bit, but I don't have any of those. I just have like my regular scissors, and then I don't know what this is called. But yeah, it helped a little bit, but not as much as I would have liked it to help. So yeah, tucking those 2 pieces on the side, on the inside of the cap, does help the unit in my opinion. But I mean, I don't know, it's like if you don't want your edges to be exposed, then I guess it would be a negative for you. I'm not too mad about my edges being exposed. I mean, obviously my natural hair is much darker than this unit, but I'm okay with it. If the unit was a much lighter color, then I wouldn't be okay with it. But because of the coloring of the unit, then I am okay with my edges being exposed. Now to move on to the positives of this unit, the color is absolutely beautiful. I feel like this reddish brownish color is always going to give no matter what. I love the texture of this unit because it definitely mimics 4B, 4C hair as if it were not necessarily blown out, but maybe more so straightened with a flat iron. Another good thing about this unit is the density of her. She's nice, thick, and full, which is a positive side seeing as how she is shedding a bit. So therefore, you're still going to get a lot of wear out of this unit without it thinning out too quickly. Even though this unit is on the thicker side, I do think that she still would be a good wear for the spring and summertime just because of the cut of her. It shouldn't be too hot, but if so, just carry around a little clip and then you should be okay. This unit is for sure beginner friendly. I mean, you can wash, condition, and let it air dry, of course, but I mean, if you're on the go, just take her out the box to straighten her and then you're out the door. If your bang comes cut perfectly, then that's just a positive for you, and if not, just tuck those sides and then you should be good to go. Even with this unit being very thick, she also has lots of body. Like, no matter where I move my hair, or my head, yeah, my hair is also turning with me. I bet this unit will be really pretty curled. I mean, I'm liking her in her straight stage right now, but I don't know, I feel like I might end up curling her later on. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. This is an Amazon unit, so therefore you can get her within 2 days with 2-day shipping if you do have Prime, of course. And she retails for $99.60 for the 12-inch and $118.90 for the 14-inch. Make sure to check my description box because I'll make sure to link it down there for you all. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.